everybody, and welcome back to Saving Made Easy. I am Brienne, and I have some awesome deals for you to do this coming Saturday. That would be September 3rd at Dollar General. We've got awesome deals today. There's some dog food. We're going to get a lot of vegetables, frozen vegetables, and of course, Gain products like we always try to do. I also wanted to let you guys know that there is a Dollar General 3-day sale happening this weekend, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, and you can use any of those items in your 5 off of 25 deals on Saturday. So items like the buy one get one free bugles, which I'll talk about, are definitely fair game for those type of deals. So that's awesome. There's also a 30% off teachers only event coming up at Dollar General as well. So be on the lookout for that. In this first transaction, we're going to get 10 bags of frozen vegetables for under $2, but we need to get some filler items like these Crest with Scope toothpaste from the $1 aisle. These are the 2.7 ounce ones. We have a $6 off of 4 digital coupon plus a $5 off of 3 digital coupon that we're going to use. So if your store has them, clip both coupons and pick up 7 of these babies. We are talking overage. Next, we're going to pick up 2 of the Tresemme masks. These are $2 a piece, so $4 for both, and we have a $3 off of 2 digital coupon that doesn't expire until later in September. So we're going to go ahead and use that, making these just $1. Next, pick up one of the Airwick warmers. These are $2, and we have a $1.50 off digital coupon, making it just 50 cents. Again, just another great filler item. We have a $2 off of 10 coupon on these Bird's Eye frozen veggies. So go ahead and pick up 10 bags because they are $1 a piece, and we'll get that $2 off. And this is a great way to stock up on something that everybody definitely uses. And just to round out this deal and make sure we're spending what we need to be spending, pick up one of the Crest with Scope mouthwashes from the travel section in the beauty aisle, and those are $1, and we have a $1 off digital coupon, making that a little freebie. And pick up any $1 item just to round out your transaction and make sure you're spending exactly $25. Make sure you've got that 5 off of 25 digital coupon clipped, and your subtotal for this transaction should come to exactly $25 if you did it exactly the way that I did. And after all those coupons come off, you're looking at an out-of-pocket cost of just $1.50 for all of those items plus tax. So, just 10 packs of veggies for $1.50. That's a crazy amount of savings. Okay, for our second transaction, we're going to go ahead and pick up one of the Gain Flings tubs. This is the 51 count for $15.95. I don't know how much longer we'll have this smaller version of the tub, but we're going to keep using it while we got it. And we have a $3 off digital coupon that expires this Saturday. We're also going to pick up 2 of the Febreze sprays. These are $3 and 25 cents a piece. So we are going to buy 2 for $6.50 and use the $3.30 digital coupon on both of those. Make sure you're getting the Gain scent. And last but not least, we're going to pick up 2 of the Gain Power Wash sprays. These are kind of like the Dawn Power Wash, but in the green bottle. And they are $9.50 for the both of them, but we do have a $3.99 digital coupon that comes off when you buy 2. We're also going to want to make sure we have our $5 off of 30 Gain digital coupon clipped, as well as our 5 off of 25 digital coupon clipped. And your subtotal after all of those should be $31.95, spending a lot. But after all those coupons come off, you're looking at an out-of-pocket cost of just $11.66. Or you could look at it as like $2.32 per item, which is pretty good. Some of those are really pricey. Like I said at the beginning, don't forget that Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, they will be having a 3-day sale. And you can look at the weekly ad to kind of get an idea of all the items that are going to be included. But some things that I thought were worth mentioning were the bugles are going to be buy one, get one free, as they usually are on these type of sales. I don't know why bugles in particular, but they are. Also, the Clover Valley cookies like this are going to be $1.75, which is a little bit of savings there. They're also going to have buy one, get one free on swim and end of summer stuff, spring, lawn, and garden. all that kind of stuff. So there's plenty to go through there. So things like that will get cheaper as we get closer and closer to fall, and they want to clear that stuff out. So buy one get one free may not be the price you want to spend yet, but maybe it is. Maybe you're going to stock up on some stuff for next year. Who knows? So anyway, that is good. And then we've also got the P&G deal is back. If you are spending at least $15 after coupons, that's important. So once your coupons have come off at the register, whatever you are paying has to be $15 at least. You will get a $5 paper coupon print out on the end of your receipt for your next purchase at Dollar General. So if you want to try and hit that deal, I usually don't hit it because I'm trying to get my totals down as low as possible, but sometimes I do. So if there are, items in particular that you really want that are P&G items, you can get that extra $5 coupon off this week. So one other thing I wanted to mention, I didn't include it in any of my deals for this week, but I might do a deal with it on Instagram or TikTok later. So make sure to follow me on on those platforms if you've not followed me there yet. But I just wanted to point out that the Planters nuts, like the cashews, are actually buy one get one free this week. So they are $13 or $6.50 a piece. So $13 for two, but you get one of those free. And if you scan them with your Dollar General app, you'll also note that you get $2 off in instant savings for spending $10 on Planters stuff. So that's something to keep in mind as well. Maybe you want to add those into like a food transaction if you're doing one of those. Okay, for our final transaction this week, we are going to start by picking up the Shea Moisture Soap. This is $6. The tag at my store says $5, but it is actually $6 if you scan it. And we have a $3.50 digital coupon on any Shea Moisture product. It's about half price there, a little bit more. And we're also going to pick up one pack of the Vicks Vapor Rub Cough Drops. These are $2 per bag, and we have a $1 off digital coupon on those. And this is a really good item to stock up on going into fall and winter cold season, of course. We're also going to pick up one of these Oral-B manual toothbrushes. You definitely want to get this kind in particular. These are $3.35, and we have a $2 off digital coupon. Also pick up one of the Glade oil packs. You can actually find some of these in the clearance section. I was able to find some that were $3. So if you can find some like that, they have a $1.50 off digital coupon that works on those, so making them half price if you have any of the Glade oil warmers. What I also thought was a really good deal this week, I don't have dogs, but I believe Iams is a pretty expensive dog food, and if your dog is particular, they have the $9.50 bags with a $4 off digital coupon that comes off. So close to half price, for the smaller bag of dog food, but still pretty good size. So maybe check that out. And last but not least, grab 2 bags of the Bugles because, like I said, they are buy one, get one free. No coupon necessary on that. Just buy one, get one free this week. So they are $1 a piece and get one of those free. So make sure you have your 5 off of 25 coupon clipped, and your subtotal should come to $25.85 on this third transaction. And your out-of-pocket cost after all those coupons is going to come to just $4.85 plus tax. And that's crazy. Thanks so much for checking out this video, you guys. Leave me a comment down below and let me know which of these deals excited you the most. Which are you really going to try and do on Saturday? Also, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, join these 16,000 followers, I can't believe I'm saying that we have going on right now, and come get some deals with us. Why not? Give this video a thumbs up because it helps support our channel, and we appreciate you as always. Thank you so much for watching these videos, and we'll catch you next time.